Hello, 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 everyone. Nightspite here, and Royal. Today, there's been some changes to the yard. It's been a while since the last time I did the video. As you can see, things have been growing. The ash has been getting more branches. These are starting to reach towards the sun. And if you look closely, you'll notice how they just have fuzz on them. They're either jalapenos or tomatoes, actually. Let me find them again. Jalapenos or tomatoes. One of the two. I do think they're jalapenos though. Because that's all I've been putting down in that spot. So the pomegranate's starting to get some reach to them. I'm noticing the potato and peanuts here are also still growing. Even if they're all behind everything else. I had to tie this one over because it literally was just flopping. It was starting to try to dig into the ground. I'm going to add more soil near the base too. Because if you look closely at the... If I can get a good angle. You can start to see the places where it's uncovered. It's starting to dry out and stuff. And when they touch ground, but they're not all the way buried, they start to form these little roots. And that just means I have to bury it some more. And got old dirt just attached to the leaves that are touching the ground. Oh, gotta stabilize it. It's just gonna be the way it's gonna hang for now. Oh boy. I need to tie it up more. Okay. After some retying, I managed to get them to hang up. So now they're just leaning, but they're still up, hanging in the air. Once again, I still need to get more stakes. And as you can see, these are just growing out of control. I honestly don't know when the peanuts are going to be finished. All of them have just been growing leaves that they're making it. Over here, I got the other peanut plants that Vic dug up. I'm trying to get the ones that don't have roots to root. And I'm trying to see if I can get the ones that do have roots to return again. They are kind of just dying, but they have little potatoes at the ends. And this is just honeysuckle I found. I'm trying to get it to root. And it's doing it a little bit, but it's also attracting all these little ants. Ideally, I can get some bees to show up around here. Because we already got the wasps. They showed up when all the other flowers started coming. These, I don't even think I need to do anything with them. Because for the time being, they're doing nothing but just sitting here. They're making flowers all over the time. They haven't made any tomatoes yet. I recently picked the big one from here. As soon as they turn red is when you can grab them, but like, it was pretty good. You can't see the spot anymore. I just can't even see the small one that was around here anymore. It's gotta be somewhere. As you can see, this part is really starting to flower. I think this is the new main body it's making. And right here it is. It's covered by a leaf. Yeah, this one's getting big too. That'll be the next one to grab. And now we make it over to here. See the basil tower. All these little flowers it's making. It's starting to attract these little flies and wasps. That one even looked like a bee. And this thing just making flowers everywhere. It's caused the strawberry plant to move over and it's killing some of the older parts. So I have to go over here and start ripping up grass so I can just find the vine again. It's reaching the point where I can just cut the vines of strawberries so they can start becoming their own plants. This little guy's just dying. He got hit by the water hose and the guy just snapped him. And you're just taking over the area. I'm gonna have to move those tomato plants. He really don't look like he's gonna make it if he stays. It's still growing green, but the leaves that are under the watermelon are dying. And we're speaking about the watermelons. The whole thing over here, it's still about the same, I'd say. It's making all these little tower structures, ones to lead up. They're not doing anything at the moment, though. It's just increasing. Slowly spreading over. Heading towards the sun.